What up, it's your boy Southern Smoke back at it again today. So I already know washed off my oxtails. We'll go ahead and get them seasoned up. So today it's pouring down rain outside, but we still get it done, man, most definitely. We got to, because I already had it planned on my agenda. So first I'm gonna start off by, I got my all-purpose dry rub. Alright, so we out at our grill. About to go ahead and put them on. Braise them a little. So yeah, here go the final product of my smoked oxtails. I know you guys been waiting for this for a long time for me to make a better, clear video. These is on the smoker for 4 hours. I wrapped them. I cooked them, just smoked them for an hour, and I wrapped them for 3 hours, and I put a little apple juice in there. Very simple, you can do this yourself. So hey, go over to my Instagram and check me out, Southern Smoke Balls. You guys can see what I'm gonna be having before I even upload it. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.